Hello, everybody. Welcome to Snyder's Inc. Today, we're going to be doing some chills. This is 5 scary videos filmed by Doorbell Camera, Volume 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I need y'all to hit the like button, hit subscribe button, comment what you think down below. Also, check out the first music reaction I've done in a while here on the channel. I just did yesterday, so go check it out. Yeah, you guys ready? Of course, you're ready. Let's go.
Scary videos, filmed by Doorbell Camera, Volume 2, Number 5.
I don't know who the you are. I ain't shot at now. Please tell me. You're about to be.
This would-be intruder is trying to be subtle but failing miserably. His evil plot was spoiled.
I am being shot at by... Dude, are you serious? Yeah, serious. What?
The guy claims he's being shot at, but the homeowner isn't having any of it.
What's wrong with you, man?
He looks so dejected, you almost feel bad for the guy. No.
But if you're being shot at and you're hiding, you are hiding horribly. If you're being shot at, one, there's nothing that says you're being shot. You don't have to feel like you're being shot at. Because if you were being shot at and you were in trouble, you would ask, when they say they'll call police, you would just ask them to. That way at least you ain't gonna be shot at when you leave. You would do anything besides stay there. So clearly you are lying, my friend.
Number 4. A man is apparently talking to himself outside a stranger's door. Oh yeah, and he has a massive blade. You can't really hear what he's saying, but he appears to be speaking to someone. The guy stands there for a moment longer before his demons drive him elsewhere.
That is messed up, boy. Imagine you turn around and you see a guy outside your place. Imagine you look at your camera. There's a guy out there with a machete talking to himself. Now I don't want that guy near my place. I ain't going out there to confront him. I don't want to be around a guy with a machete. That ain't stupid. No, I'm going nowhere near that. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But that guy's messed up. And that's dangerous as hell. I don't want that boy nowhere near anybody. No near anybody. That's dangerous as hell. Goddamn dangerous.
Number 3. This ring footage was filmed in Texarkana, Texas. The homeowner shares that this man regularly visits their house because he believes it belongs to someone he knows.
Y'all ain't gonna answer the door for the police, because that's very unusual around here.
Okay, well this is it. So this is a guy who thinks it belongs. So he might have a Alzheimer's, or might have some medical issue that makes him unable to bad memory. And maybe someone lived here that he knew before they did. Maybe, I don't know. I'm trying to figure this out. And maybe that's why he thinks someone else lives here. I don't know what his goal is at this moment, though. I don't know why he's claiming the police, because he clearly doesn't look like a police officer at all.
Usually he causes a scene. In this particular instance, he went overboard.
Hello? Get somewhere. What's that? I can't understand you. You're what? Sir?
The homeowner isn't there, but he buzzes in. He's telling him to get off his property, but he refuses to leave.
How come every time I come up here, somebody different owns this place, and I know the girl, this person that owns it. And I am the police. She lives in one of my apartments. Stacy Crawford owns this. I'm going to tell her. And we'll be back to loot. Come along.
After his crazy rant, he starts to take his rage out on the camera. When he can't destroy it by hand, he takes a boot to it.
What is wrong with this man? This man who's lost his mind, he has screamed about someone else owns this and some girl named Stacy Crawford, and she's going to tell her, and he's the law, and he's the police. What's wrong with this goddamn dude? This guy's lost his goddamn mind, clearly. Has some age issue and some medical issue or some mental health issue that's causing this, but damn. Boy needs to calm the hell down.
Number 2.
Hello, Bears.
These homeowners in Truckee, California had a very unusual visit in the night. Upon hearing their doorbell at around 10 p.m., they thought some pranksters were playing Ding Dong Ditch. And maybe they were. After getting up close and personal with the camera, the lead bear saunters off. Let's just hope there's nobody out walking in this community right now.
Yeah, that's terrifying. Number 1's bound to be long. It's damn. God damn. It's gonna be a long one, but what is this? What is this gonna be about? Because that bear one's terrifying, but like that one just unfortunate visitor in the night. Although I do find it hilarious that the bear seemed to get spooked by the camera, by the doorbell. That did make me laugh.
Number 1. Early on a Saturday morning in Visalia, California, this homeowner received a Ring doorbell notification. A stranger was at his door.
Can I help you? What?
Say, can I talk to you?
The woman is clearly intoxicated.
I said, can I talk to the person who lives here, please?
You're talking to him.
You got the wrong address.
Okay, first of all, here's what's weird about this. So one, this guy's answering this weird. Just say you're talking to him, what do you want? Don't say you got probably she does have the wrong address, but she's damn drunk. She doesn't know what's going on, so that doesn't help. Figure out what the hell's trying to help me figure out. If she ain't violent, just answer the question. Just say you're the property owner, what do you want? And if she says, come talk to me person, then you tell her no.
Like,
She starts hitting buttons.
weird. One is hard to do now in the facility.
Then she hits a million buttons.
You have the wrong address, sorry.
Can you call them?
For a moment, it seems like she's given up.
Like it calls, like it pushes his buttons? I don't give a
What is her, okay, so this is when it becomes the problem, because she's not getting the message. She's looking for a place. And she doesn't know where it is, clearly. And because she doesn't know where it is, she's not going to be able to find the place. But it's a weird, she needs to figure this out here. And she's pressing the button thinking it'll help, but it won't.
But this interaction keeps going.
That is. Oh, yeah.
She simply won't leave. She insists she's at the correct address.
Go away.
You can hear in his voice that he wants to go back to sleep.
Why?
You have the wrong address. Wrong address, go away.
No.
What do you mean, no, fuck that? You have the wrong address! You can't just make this story. That's not how it works. If you're looking for a facility, maybe you're looking for a certain place. Maybe there's a place you live. You look for a facility. If you're looking for a facility, that's, you know, whatever. But because you choose the wrong place, you know, the place that's just, the thing just doesn't just suddenly become the facility at some point. You have the wrong address.
It's where address.
And yet she continues to ring and smash his doorbell incessantly.
Like that.
So there's either two things. It's either one, she has picked the wrong address, but she's actually looking for a place. She's like, look for actual place. Or two, because this is not someone trying to break in. She's too fucking drunk to. She's too drunk. There's no way. Like, you can clearly tell she's completely drunk. So my assumption is this girl might have also just been given an address, and it's this address. Like, she's given the right address for the wrong place. And because of that, she's insisting this is the right place. This is the place someone gave her. Just, it isn't. Because they gave her a false address or something.
By the north end. This casino from the So keep knocking, keep ringing, keep calling.
You have the wrong address, seriously.
See, I'd have to go outside. I'd have to go outside. See, this is where, because this isn't a robbery attempt. You know how I know it? Because no one's this determined for a robbery attempt. There's no way someone sticks to this plan for as long as this girl has. If there were people around them looking to get in to rob it, there's no way. No one's this determined for one game plan. This has to be her by herself. Fucking go confront her. She can't. She's drunk as shit. She clearly is not that intimidated.
A bit. Yeah. I'll break it.
You're gonna hurt your hand. Stop.
I'll break that shit.
It's surprising the camera has withstood the beating so far.
Watch me.
She appears to be trying to pry it off. After making no progress, she becomes increasingly aggressive. She just won't stop.
Has this dude called the police on this chick yet? Because I would. I'll be like, listen, there's some drunk bitch who won't stop trying to get in my place and ring my doorbell and shit. It's like, I don't know who the fuck this bitch is. Will you get her away from here? That'd be my thing immediately. Just get this girl away from here.
She apparently walks off at some point but returns. And this time she says it's her house.
Who are you looking for?
My house. What the
But it's not her house.
Hello?
Here's the thing. Like, why do you have to be let into your own house? It's your fucking house. It's not your house, but why would you need to be let into? Do that drug? Did you? Do you have to be let into? Do they not trust you with keys in your own place? Are you in an apartment that they don't let you in? What? I'm so confused. What this situation this girl's living in. I'm curious so much right now.
Go away.
The homeowner has the patience of a saint, but even his is running short.
Let you get your own house. Seriously, go.
Oh, well, I don't know if my thing is in my house.
At this point, she starts slamming her shoulder against the door. Then she turns around and tries to kick it down with her foot. She's still under the illusion that this is her house. The homeowner is forced to call the police.
Irritate my dude.
And they arrive 10 minutes later and arrest her.
Do I get to see the arrest?
She welcomes them with open arms. It's not clear what she was charged with, but the homeowner is certainly grateful for some peace and quiet at last.
What is wrong with this girl? This girl had to get herself. The way they had to get her loose is get herself arrested. And probably when she was fucking damaged the property. Probably this girl's trying to rip off a camera, kick down a door, throw a shoulder into the door. She's clearly like trying to cause problems. Probably charged with damage to property and trespassing. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this reaction video to some insane doorbell camera videos. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Comment what you think down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all for the next one.